One of the most challenging moments for any breastfeeding mom is when your little one refuses to latch. It can be confusing and frustrating, leaving you feeling helpless. But don't worry, latch issues are more common than you might think, and there are effective steps you can take to help your baby get back to breastfeeding comfortably. Let's explore some strategies to make this process easier for both of you. Stay calm and collected. First and foremost, don't panic. Babies are incredibly perceptive and can sense when you're feeling stressed. If you're anxious, it can make the situation even more difficult. If your baby is frustrated, it's perfectly okay to take a short break. Try soothing them with some skin-to-skin contact, cuddles, or even offering a bottle of expressed milk if they're hungry. Creating a calm environment is key before you try again. Check your positioning. A common reason for latch refusal is improper positioning. Make sure your baby's mouth is aligned correctly with your nipple and that their head, neck, and spine are in a straight line. Their mouth should be wide open, aiming for a deep latch where their lips cover as much of the areola as possible. Experiment with different breastfeeding positions like the cradle hold, football hold, or side-lying position to see what works best for both of you. Timing is everything. Trying to latch your baby when they're too hungry or upset can lead to more frustration. Instead, offer the breast when your baby is calm and showing early hunger cues, such as smacking their lips, sucking on their hands, or rooting. A calm baby is much more likely to latch successfully than one who is already agitated or overtired. Embrace skin-to-skin contact. Skin-to-skin contact is one of the best ways to encourage your baby to latch. Strip your baby down to their diaper and hold them against your bare chest. This close contact helps them feel secure and stimulates their natural feeding instincts. Plus, it can help both of you relax, increasing the chances of a successful latch. Get the milk flowing. Sometimes, babies refuse to latch because they're frustrated that milk isn't coming out quickly enough. To help with this, try expressing a little milk by hand or using a breast pump before offering the breast. This way, your baby will immediately taste the milk, which can encourage them to latch on. Seek professional help if needed. If your baby consistently refuses to latch, there may be an underlying issue, such as a tongue tie or lip tie, that makes it harder for them to latch properly. If you suspect this might be the case, consult with a lactation consultant or your pediatrician. They can check for any physical barriers and suggest solutions, which may include adjusting your feeding technique or considering a minor medical procedure if necessary. Be patient and persistent. Persistence is key. Even if your baby is refusing to latch, continue offering the breast at regular intervals, especially when they're calm and showing hunger cues. Sometimes it takes a few tries before your baby gets comfortable again. Be patient with yourself and your baby during this learning curve. While latch refusal can be incredibly frustrating, it's not an impossible challenge. By staying calm, adjusting your baby's position, and incorporating skin-to-skin contact, you can help your little one get back on track with breastfeeding. If the issue persists, don't hesitate to seek support from a lactation consultant. With the right advice and approach, you and your baby can overcome this hurdle and continue your breastfeeding journey successfully. Thank you for watching. If you found this information helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips on breastfeeding and parenting. Share your experiences in the comments below. We're all here to support you.